Hey everybody, welcome back to Bali, Indonesia, one of my favorite places. Today I'm planning on driving the scooter I rented into the mountains, hopefully see some rice terraces, maybe a waterfall, maybe get lost, maybe get caught in the rain. I don't know, the possibilities are endless. I actually invited some of the friends that I made here to go with me, but they're either working or they're sleeping in. But that's all part of solo travel, is that you have to love your own company to do adventures when no one else will do them with you. Otherwise, I would just never have fun. Anyway, it's already later than I wanted to be, so let's go do the thing. Here is my trusty scooter. This thing's gonna get me where I need to go. You may be wondering why I'm wearing long sleeves in the Balinese heat. Well, partly due to protect myself from the sun while on the bike, but it's mostly to cover my white skin so that the cops don't pull me over. They like to do that here in Bali, to make sure that the foreigners are driving legally. Gotta make sure I'm heading in the right direction. Looks like I'm good. Gotta fuel up. Made it to the outskirts of Denpasar. Already got some rice fields going on, but this is nothing compared to where I'm going, I think. It's like a 2-hour drive there, so hopefully it's worth it. It's starting to drizzle. I think it's time to switch out my shirt for a rain jacket. Of course the sun starts shining as soon as I put it on. Here's my turn. Typical that the road would turn out like this. We have mountains! Putting it on again. Weather changes instantaneously here. I just paid 40,000 Rupiah to get into this area, which is about $3. So far it's pretty good. Check this out. So I made it to my destination, Jatiluwih. This is just a famous place for a lot of rice terraces, and you can see how beautiful it is. Unfortunately, it's a little dark with all the rain clouds, but not getting too wet yet. Hopefully our luck stays up with that. This is a place where there's several walking tracks just all the way through the terraces. Don't think you can just roam freely, but you can stay on these paths and get even better views of the place. Gorgeous. How beautiful is this? Let's keep walking. One thing I really like about this place is that it is not very touristy. Yeah, there are some tourists here, but I mean, take a look around. It's just me and the locals. Oh, and the cows. Cows are in the barn. This is nothing like the rice terraces in Ubud, which is like 50 kilometers that way, that are just swarming with tourists and just hard to appreciate it as much. So there's this walking path that goes kind of all around the rice paddies, and then it comes right to a temple. It is closed right now, so can't see it, but it's kind of cool. These tigers are cool. Rawr. And there's this really loud dog that just won't shut up for some reason. So I just made a huge circle around this place. It really is very beautiful. Definitely worth the drive and the cover charge. Now that I've seen the rice terraces, I'm gonna see if I can find a waterfall now. There's a little parade going on here. I think some Hindu ritual. First rule of videography is always come prepared. I did not do that today, unfortunately, and my GoPro just ran out of battery, so I'm using my phone right now. Anyway, here we are in the middle of nowhere. To get to this waterfall, we had to take this 2-track thing. I still haven't found it yet. I think I have another couple kilometers to go, so let's try it. So I'm parking my bike here because the track is really getting undrivable, and it's reminding me of the second pool adventure, where it's a single track, but this time no one's here to find me if I, die or something. So, and I don't know if I'm on the right road. I don't know if I made a wrong turn or what, so it's an adventure. So actually this way turned out to be a dead end. So, not quite sure what I'm gonna do now. Maybe try one or two more ways. If not, I'll just call it a day because it's gonna get dark out pretty soon. So what happened is I tried another turnoff, but that also turned out to be a dead end, and it really started pouring at that time as well. So I'm like, you know what, it's really late, and it's raining for like the 7th time today, and I'm just ready to go back now. I'm also waiting for the rain to stop and for me to dry off and get a little warmer. I got soaked. So, didn't get to finish my adventure, but you know what? I think getting lost is all a part of it, and that's what I did today, so success.